Happy Monday, guys. Here we go again. Right, last week for the kiddos. Well, so I thought. It is for most of them. Well, not Chloe Bow. Apparently she's got Monday and Tuesday next week. But then when these go back, she's got an extra day off. So, you know, swings in roundabouts and all that, doesn't it? Anyway, welcome back to another video. Tired boy. And running on 2 hours, guys. I could not get to sleep last night. It was a terrible night's sleep. I had irritable legs. I just couldn't get comfy, full stop. I was tired. Yeah, horrible night's sleep, it really was. So, hopefully tonight I'll sleep lovely, like a babby. I hope you all have a great week. We've had a quiet weekend, really. Obviously I didn't vlog yesterday. What did we have for Sunday lunch yesterday? Mum made a cottage pie, didn't she? That was good. Liam was in and out on his bike with Kieran and that. And the others just chilled out on their gadgets. You what, Safe?
I thought it was shepherd's
Cottage pie, because it was made with beef mince.
Oh, I don't see a difference.
Well, I always say shepherd's pie and then I get corrected, so.
Oh, I don't know.
If it's lamb mince, then it's shepherd's pie, you know.
Oh.
But yeah.
They both taste the same.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, you're quite right, really. I always think they quite taste similar, so. Anyway, let's get this Monday morning school run done, son. What are you guys doing today then? I hope you have a brilliant day. We're just doing the usual. Lacey's already on schooling. I've just rang the crew, as we do, you know. Just about to wash up these pots, do a bit of hoovering, and jobs are good in. Yeah. Right there, Lace? You struggling?
Yeah, well, I need to ask.
Yeah, okay, she wants to ask for something. She doesn't like me to show you, and she gets, which is understandable when she's doing her work. So that's one of the reasons I don't really vlog a lot of her work. She gets conscious of stuff. We're all having a very early lunch. Noodles. But these cheap noodles, well, they're from Aldi, look. Yeah, one's hot and spicy, and the other's chicken.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say they're very spicy. Rach ain't really hungry, but I always say to her, you need something, because otherwise she won't eat all day, working all day, and she'll, yeah. And Lacey's got a pot noodle. What you got left? Reading? Yeah? Good boy. So yeah, gonna have this. I've hoovered up. Got a few things to do. Any decent posts? Nah. Time for us to move once again. Yeah, I take Rach to work. That is the time already. I still haven't changed that clock. Obviously most of the clocks in the house changed. Except the weekend the clocks changed, didn't they? Lost an hour. But, yeah, I wonder how long it'll take me to change that clock. If you've been watching for a long time, you know it took me a long time to do it last time. You what, darling?
You think it's summer?
It looks very, very nice out there. And do you know what? It isn't bad, but it's not all that warm. Yeah, it's a nice day. Bye, Duck. Have a good day. Comes round quick, doesn't it? Last week.
Flushed.
You see, I thought you looked pale.
So do
So then, Lacey Lou, what have you got to tell everyone?
I. Look at that crane being big.
I wonder what happened to that woman that lived there.
Yeah, did you see who lived there?
Can you see it on the field?
No.
Yeah, it's the bigger ones, isn't it? Oh, I would say see you in an hour, Tit, but it's not, is it? It's a couple of hours. What are you going to do when you get home then? You don't know your work that you needed to do. We've cleaned up. We've eaten. Been fed and watered. So what's next?
Don't know.
What you got to tell us?
Nothing.
Nothing.
You can go.
Oh,
You could have gone over.
I can't. This car's coming that way.
No, before that way. Before you could have gone quickly.
It's time to go on the school run. I forgot to tell you or show you because obviously I didn't vlog yesterday. But I trimmed the dogs up. Well, I didn't scruff. Rach told me just to tidy his face up. And now they keep taking the mickey out of him, saying he looks like a rat face.
What it does, he looks really
He's a beautiful man. And Milo, wow.
Yeah,
The amount of fur that came off him, I could have made a jumper or two with him. But there he is, look. It was getting hot. They've all had the nails cut as well, haven't they, Lace?
Yeah, even the
The dogs, even the guinea pigs.
The,
Yeah, it was like a,
crumbles
it was like a
like a baby.
pet salon here yesterday. I'll tell you, I was at it for ages. The clippers kept going dead as well, didn't they? So I had to do half a...
Crumble screaming like a crow.
He was he was a scaredy cat, that one, wasn't he? Yeah, I had to sort of do him in the morning and finish him off in the afternoon because of the clippers. Yeah, anyway, where's my keys? I'll have to move there. Anyway, let's go. I've had to take my top and my coat off, guys. It's turned out quite warm. Excuse the stain.
I'm taking my time.
Spilt my breakfast earlier, didn't I? Because it's not like my mouth ain't big enough.
You've been a naughty boy today.
I've not been a naughty boy.
Food.
I haven't sneaked food.
You
I
have.
haven't sneaked
You
it.
did in the car.
I've got some thingies on me.
No.
Oops, I've dropped them all out
That
now.
me knowing.
Not
You
chocolate
was
tea.
like this.
I wanted one of them.
Listen. You was like this. Listen. No,
Yes.
don't back chat to me, boy. You're gonna get. Don't. You're not a big kid, Chloe. Stephen. Stephanie.
Steve will do. Anyway, Chloe, how was your day, Chloe?
Right, listen. He's been a naughty boy today. He's had noodles,
Yeah, that was my lunch.
sweets.
Well, that was
He did the
brunch.
Sweets.
I had two little sweets that Mummy gave me one and I had one before we left.
Yeah, and you.
And then I've just had a couple of them.
No, and you've had cookies.
Oh, yeah,
Don't
but,
lie.
yeah, but who gave me that? The little tiny things.
No, you had like 5. You did.
You gave me them.
You had 5.
You gave me them. You're telling me off and you gave me them.
Yes, and then listen, you had
You gave
some
me 'em.
grapes which I gave you in a
Had
little
some
bowl,
grapes.
like a baby. And then he sneaked, when I was in the car, he sneaked out these.
Who's the parent here?
Me.
Well, there you
act
have
like
it.
a big kid.
Hello, my boy.
Hello.
How is my boy?
Tired still.
Yeah. Well, first day back, innit? Monday. They're always a bit like that, aren't they? Just another manic Monday.
Oh, I thought it was going to say Friday.
You wish it was Sunday.
I don't.
No, because if it's Sunday, then it means it's Monday again. Don't tell me then.
No.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Safe, mine.
I doubt it. Soph will say. I'll tell you exactly what Soph will say. What you say. Boring.
Boring.
What are you doing with Anthony? Huh?
Looks like a rat today.
Oh, everyone he's getting a complex with you lot keep saying stuff to him. No wonder he's growling. It's alright. Mummy and Daddy love you up. You're a beautiful man.
Oh my god, this seems like foot scratches.
Yes, you're getting him all anxious. Right, yeah.
Mike, come on, Mike.
What you got to tell me then?
You look skinny today.
He
It's
does.
because he's had a haircut, hasn't it? Bless him.
He looks cute.
He's not been in the best of moods though since he's had his hair trimmed.
Oh, yeah, go smells wax bomb.
So you know to tell me then?
No.
Ah, shame. So?
No.
No? Oh, there we have it then.
Smell something. It's probably Squish breath.
It's that one.
Okay, it stinks.
You say nice smell.
No. His face!
It is him. Dinner time. Dinner. Or tea time. Whatever you want to say. So they've got wraps today. Look at them bad boy wraps.
No, he doesn't.
Ooh. Well, for some reason, Chloe and Lacey aren't coming. Liam was pleased to have tea early-ish. He wants to go out. Tell you what, it's been quite a nice day actually. Problem is, when the sun's out like this, it makes you feel like you should be doing something, doesn't it? I feel like I should be out in this garden doing something. So, I think this year the plans for the garden is I'm moving this gazebo and decking other side, I think. I'm hoping to get another shed, a metal shed, a man shed for me, for all my tools. Because that one, as you know, if you've been watching for ages, is just a junk shed and yeah, for bikes, etc. So I want a little metal shed that's going to go there. I think that's going to go that side. Obviously that'll stay there. That all needs sorting out though before the guinea pigs can go back in it. Yeah, and as you can see, the garden just looks a mess at the moment, so needs a few bits doing to it. And like I said, when it's nice out here like this, you feel like you should be out doing something. Could be doing with cutting the lawn really. But not today, Jack. Maybe tomorrow. And then you watch rain tomorrow. Be careful. Don't get up to no good. Good girl. Just at Tesco's. Look at this sunny evening. It feels strange, guys, because I haven't changed that clock yet in the car. So you can see it says it's 5 to 5 and it's actually 5 to 6. And just with it being so bright and light, it just feels different. Yeah, but yeah, lovely evening. Come to the end of another Monday, guys. Liam, has it got any for Liam? Mum's sorting some clothes out. She wants you to get them. Safe? Go and see your mother. She's got some clothes for you. Lacey, go and see your mother. She's got some clothes for you. Some clean washing to put away. Love you. Good night. Night, Chloe. Good night then, Liam. We'll see you tomorrow. Tuesday. Love you. Night, Shirley. Good night. And good night to you guys. I hope you've had a wonderful Monday. Have a great week. And yeah, we're off up to bed. I mean, we always go to bed early. But running on 2 hours sleep last night. And yeah, Rachel's tired out. We're still meant to be watching The Bay. We like that. And we haven't watched last week's yet. So we was going to watch it tonight, but Rach said she knows she'll fall asleep watching it, so.
I can't watch it.
No, she, especially if we come to bed, she can't watch a thing. As soon as Red hits that pillow, she's gone. Anyway, take care. We'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday. Peace.